Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert and automatically resize an image in Microsoft Excel. So to insert an image, click in insert, then picture. Now find out your picture and select it. Now firstly roughly resize any Excel cell according your picture and drag and drop that picture in that cell. Now right click on that picture, then size and properties. Select this third option, expand properties, and select this first option, move and size with cells. Now click anywhere. Now try to resize this cell size. So you will see your picture is automatically resized like this. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.